It's a 3.
That's a 3.
Okay, now it's a 1, a 6, a blank. Now it's a blank, 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 6. Now it's a 2, blank, 6. Now it's an 8.
Here's a 7. He's got a 7. Okay, Lee. What's that? 9. Okay. Here. Okay. All right, let's see. What have you got? Do you have a 5? You don't have a 5. Do you have a 9? Do you have a 9 or a 4? A 9 or a 4? He doesn't have a 9 or a 4. I'm gonna win this game.
Name is it?
It says rendezvous before.
That's probably the winning one that I didn't have. Okay. What do I have? I have a double 10.
Okay. Now break that 10. Put down another 10.
I don't have a double 10.
Okay, George, we need a 10.
10.
Do you have a 10? No, he doesn't have a 10.
You only
Yeah, no, yes, hell yes.
Okay.
Woo! See how good you are to be playing?
Why? What happened?
Okay. Let's see.
Here's a 2 over here. Did you go then? Yes. Oh. She's got. We need a train. Okay, I can play.
Wait, he's out of the way.
You do.
No, I have to start.
Roxy, I won without playing.
That's the best kind.
What a game I didn't play it.
Let's go, girls. Choo-choo. Okay. I'm gonna do this. No, I'm not. Darn it. Oh. That's what I wanted to do. And then I can satisfy. Okay, Evelyn. I've got a blank. Oh my gosh. Where do you come up with these, Lee? She's a shark. Oh, I got it right.